Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So here's the thing, alright? If you have been following me on Instagram super lately, I uploaded this story asking you guys to mention something that you genuinely love. It could be like a TV show, a movie, or a cartoon that you like, maybe a food or a celebrity, I don't know. Like something completely random, maybe. So I guess I will be drawing your responses today. So without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up a four and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Pull me up a four and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got two phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to say. I got Lil Max with me, he the way. It's a big gap between us and the game. In the next life, I'm tryna stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slap every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. LCC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's lost in a watch. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Montage so I'm always good where I'm at. For the Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the brick.
So after like 20 hours of drawing, this is the final output. I think I love it. I think it turned out really good. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below.